Welcome back, friends. This is the first class on Python for finance. Python for finance. Yes. So we can use Python in so many financial applications like data analysis and financial reporting, and then risk management, stress testing, algorithmic trading, high frequency trading, portfolio optimization, quant finance, and derivative pricing, financial engineering. And then at last we will see the in this course the sentiment analysis, how we can derive the market sentiment using the Python machine learning module. So it is a very comprehensive course. We'll be touching all these modules and we will learn in detail code practices and real world cases in this course. So first of all, in this class, what I would like to tell you to we have to install here the development environment in Python. So first class we will see the development environment in Python. Okay, how we can set up the Python development environment. For that there are two ways. One of the way is to set up to do the Python coding through Jupyter notebook. So if you type in the Google Anaconda download, you have to download the software Anaconda. With this Anaconda distribution package, you get something called Jupyter notebook to do the Python coding. So you can download it. I will just click here on this and I can put my email ID here. I'll put my email ID here. After you put the email ID, then you will be able to download. You'll be able to download the Anaconda software. So this way your download will start. Once you download it, after download get completed, then what is going to do? You have to do that. You have to select in the Windows Start. You just type here Jupyter notebook. Then you will be able to open that software Jupyter notebook, and you click on that Jupyter notebook. It will open it in a browser. This Jupyter notebook, it will get open into the browser. So I just click it. See, I clicked it. Now you can see that it is going to open the URL in the browser directly. Whichever is your default browser, the Jupyter notebook is going to open in that. So see that you can see that my Jupyter notebook is open and it is open in the Google Chrome. And now I can start coding with this. So I will tell you in the next class how we can create the file and then start coding the Python for finance. We will learn the finance concepts also, and then we will see how we can code. We can model the real world case studies in Python for finance. Now there is a other way also. If you get any problem here, write in the comment section. I will guide you step by step. You can search in the Google Colab. There is a browser based coding tool in the Python also available. That is a Google Colab. You can search in the Google Colab. So and then you have to open this website, okay, Google Colab, and then once you open it, you will be see, you have to go into the file. If you haven't signed up with the Google, sign up it. Then you can open here new notebook in the drive. You can see that here is the option to open a new. When you go to the file, when you click on the file, then it will give option to open new notebook into the drive. Then we can open, you can click that and then you can open the new notebook into the drive. So it is getting open now. It is browsing little bit. Let us see. And yeah. So you can see that my Google Colab notebook is open. Now I will start coding in each cell and I can execute the cells from here, so that I'll see all the output. I'll see the output here itself. So from the next class we will be learning the basics of the Python. Basics of the Python first we will learn, and then we'll study the basic visualization, how to do visualize. Whatever you're going to do in the Excel, same thing we are going to do in the Python, so that but Python is able to handle the large data sets and the faster computation. As it is a programming language, faster computation and more functionality, more libraries and functionalities. So you can build a software also, because it is a programming language. You can build a software also, financial risk management software, quant trading software, intraday trading software you can build with the tools. So we have, in this class we have seen the development environment. Either you can use the Jupyter notebook, or you can use the Google Colab, So once again I tell you that you have to download Anaconda software from the Google. Once you download the Anaconda software, then you have to, in the Windows start, you have to search Jupyter notebook. Then that it will be automatically open into the browser, and then with the new file you will be able to code it. With the new files you will be able to code it. See, I am opening my Python development terminal. So we will see this in the next class. Okay, this is here I will be writing the code in the Jupyter notebook. Other way, you can directly go do it in a Google Colab also. So if you don't understand any part of this video, please watch it again. And if you get any doubt, write in the comment section. I will clear that. Thank you.